Welcome everyone to a brand new video. Join us today as we explore Istanbul, our last stop in Turkey.
We're gonna cross this bridge and head to Europe.
Who's driving?
Mommy's driving. Asia to Europe. Mommy's gonna drive from Asia to Europe. We're about to go to Europe over there. We just left Asia and almost to Europe. We're on Europe now. So where are we?
We're in Istanbul.
So we just entered Istanbul and we're about to explore the area. We're entering this tiny little walkway. Like, look how small it is. Just gets to this small point and then opens up to this road.
The first mosque we visited was the Süleymaniye Mosque. This mosque is on the Asia side of Istanbul. This is one of the bigger mosques in this area. Before entering these mosques, people are encouraged to wash up due to their customs and traditions. We usually just wash our hands and head. We are also required to take off our shoes and cover certain parts of our body to show respect. Bringing shawls, scarves, or any other traditional cloth around Istanbul would be very helpful. This is a truly beautiful and detailed mosque. I really like the blue they use to decorate the ceilings and carpets. We stopped over to one of these stores that sell medya, a traditional Turkish food. We then went to explore the old town of Istanbul. It is known for its art and unique shops around the area. It is a charming and chill area to visit when coming to Istanbul. Here is a leather shop we spent some of our time in. The quality of these items is very good and very interesting to just take a look at.
So we're in the center of Istanbul. Most of the markets and stores here are closed, but there's a few that are open, and we got that like jelly, the world's longest gummy worm.
We walked around downtown and entered this historic and still in use cemetery. This place holds the bodies of many past rulers or important people of what used to be Constantinople and up to now, Istanbul. We started getting hungry, so we found a place to eat.
So we're just waiting for our food right now.
And we ordered pottery kebab, lamb kebab,
Yeah.
in a pot. So
Yeah.
that will be something interesting, right, Max?
Look at that. Still burning.
Hadi çek.
Are they burning?
Wow.
What's going on there?
There's this like pot that's like burning with our food inside.
Lamb kebab.
Wow.
Max, watch it.
Whoa. Wow. It's just like crack.
That looks yummy.
What are you having, Zara?
It's like beyran, which is like a Turkish soup, but it's not really beyran. It's kind of different, but it still tastes good.
That's where we load our metro card for the tram. And the tram is right here.
We started to make our way back to the center of Istanbul. We would use these water fountains to cool us off because it got pretty hot walking around the city.
Is it cold? So over there is the famous Blue Mosque. It is under construction right now, so it does not have like the best view, but we're still looking at it right now, and we're just walking around Istanbul.
What is this, Sarah?
It's the Blue Mosque.
Where are we going, Sarah?
To the mosque. We're just gonna check if we can go inside. We just went back to my dad and my brother, and we just grabbed our shawls so we can enter the mosque because we're supposed to have it over our heads. We are entering the Blue Mosque, and we're all dressed up properly. Yep.
The Blue Mosque was under construction when we came over, so it sadly wasn't able to show us its full beauty.
We just exited the Blue Mosque, right? Yeah. Oh, the Hagia Sophia Grand Mosque. Entering. Why do we do this before we enter the mosque?
Because you're supposed to be clean before entering the mosque.
Yeah.
Usually with your hand, your feet, and your face. Whew, nice and cool. Can you see that? That's Mama Mary.
This mosque can be known for switching purposes. It used to be a museum, then a Catholic and Orthodox church, and then a mosque, depending on who ruled the area at the time throughout the centuries. Now it is a historic mosque that is still in use.
That cat has been snooping around in a bunch of our pictures, and sometimes it's annoying, sometimes it's not, sometimes it's just cute, so yeah. We are just exiting the mosque now.
Yeah. This is where we take our shoes.
Yeah, so we stored our shoes here while we were inside the mosque because no shoes were allowed, as I showed on that sign. So yeah, we're just putting our shoes back on, ready to go out. It is still our first day in Istanbul. We started our Istanbul tour this morning when everything was all like a little lively, but not that much because of COVID.
Here are the Turkish lamps, known for their bright colors and sturdy structures. They are usually handmade, and we even bought some on our way out.
What is it, Dara?
Chai. So right now I am having my last chai, which is a famous Turkish tea here in Turkey. And I am going to drink it right now. And it's my very last one because tomorrow we're going to leave Turkey. Last in 3, 2, 1. Last one. I'm gonna miss chai and turkey. Yeah.
Istanbul traffic is like this right now because the call to prayer just started, so everyone's having their dinner.
The call to prayer to announce that sunset is down, and that means that most Muslims, or the ones who choose to, can eat as much as they like right now. We are on the Europe side of Istanbul, and right now we are just ordering food from that, it's like a boat restaurant area. They cook food on the boat and we just eat it.
We stopped here just to grab a snack and ended up eating dinner here because we loved the food so much.
Okay, Asia's on that side and Europe's on that side, and that's the famous bridge that connects the both two continents in Istanbul. Okay, we're getting our COVID test.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Just a heads up, we will be posting the rest of our YOLO trip videos every so often during our life trip videos. Just watch out for the titles to know which videos are which.